We are talking about the prion protein. Prion or prion protein. The prion are protein that adopt an alternative conformation. That adopt alternative conformation. In other words, the prion are folded protein. Prion are folded protein that can change its structure. That can change its structure. It is self-propagating properties. The prion has self-propagating properties. We will discuss the few examples of the structure of the prion and how they change its structure. For example, this is the prion. This is the A unit of prion. This is the B unit of prion. A unit. This is the A unit, and this is the B unit, and this is the C unit of prion. This is the example of the recombinant prion. That is recombinant prion. It consists of 90 to 231 amino acids. Its chain contains 90 to 231 amino acids. The alpha or A unit contains 90 to 231 amino acids. Especially the alpha. Alpha contains 90 to 231 amino acids. Not all. The alpha contain alpha or A unit. Alpha or A unit contain 90 to 231 amino acids. In these structures, the prion has normal structure. It cannot cause the diseases, but other structure that cause the diseases we will discuss here. This is the A unit. This is the A unit. This is the B unit. This is the C unit. In this case, the A unit contain 144 to 157. A unit contain, in this case, 144 to 157 amino acids. In the normal prion was the normal, that is recombinant prion contain, A unit was 90 to 231. In this 144 to 157 amino acids, and the beta contain 172 to 139 amino acids. This is beta contain 172 to 139 amino acids, while in the recombinant this was not so much. So there is the propagation. This is the propagation, self-propagation of prion protein, and there is also the C unit of amino acids. This is the PRPSC. This is the chain prion. The alpha helix of the recombinant prion is built to the PRPC of the beta ribbon. This the alpha helix. This is the alpha helix or A unit built to the beta ribbon. This is the ribbon. This is the ribbon that binds to the beta ribbon and cause the diseases. When the prion change its structure to this side, the prion lacks the nucleic acid. For example, we will discuss and we will draw another diagram for the prion, yet how prion change its structure to become dangerous. This is the prion PRP, and this prion contains CHO, and there is disulfide bond, that is sulfur bond. and there is GPI, glucuracil phosphatidyl inositol. This is the normal PRP prion. So this prion lose the nucleic acid. This lose the nucleic acid change. Lose this change. Lose this change and break this bonds. Break this bonds of the nucleic acids. Break this bond of the nucleic acid and become dangerous and become toxic prion. They become toxic. This prion protein become the prion that is toxic and lose this nucleic acid. For example, so they lose this structure and become another structure, that is PRPC. So they change into this structure and lose the nucleic acid, lose the nucleic acid, and they become PRPC. PRPC, and in this case there is 209 amino acids. 209 amino acids, and this structure has the self-propagating capacity. They self-propagate. This structure self-propagate, and in this structure will change into another structure. They self-propagate and change into another structure. Now I draw another structure. This is the normal prion, that is CHO and GPI. There is disulfur bond. This change its structure and lose the nucleic acid. Lose the nucleic acid in this bond and become this, and become the this is the prion. They become the PRPC, and there is 209 amino acids. In this change to this shape has the self-propagating capacity. They self-propagate, and they change into another structure. So this is another structure, that is 209 amino acids, self-propagating capacity, and they change into the PRPSC. The normal prion, there is CHO bond, and there is disulfur bond between this, disulfide bond, and they lose this bond and lose nucleic acids, lose some nucleic acid and change into another structure, that is PRPC. They has 209 nucleic acids, and they self-propagate and change into another structure, that is 209 amino acids, and that is called PRPSC. PRPSC. This is the dangerous structure. The PRPSC is the dangerous structure. This is the dangerous structure of the prion, and they are neurotoxic. The PRP normally contain 27 to 30 amino acids. This PRP contain 27 to 30 amino acids, but this lose the nucleic acids, they self-propagate, and there is 209 amino acids in the PRPC. The PRPSC, they are neurotoxic, and they retain the prion infectivity, and this 209 PRPSC accumulates in the brain and they are convert into amyloid. They convert into amyloid. Amyloid is also a toxic substance for the brain. This is the structure of prion. That is how prion change its structures. Now we will discuss the diseases that are caused by the prion. The disease is caused by the prion. Disease is caused by prion or prion. The prion causes many diseases in animals, in cattle, goats, and other animals, but we will discuss only the human diseases that are caused by prion. The prion cause mostly a disease called Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. There are various types of the Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. There are various types of the Creutzfeldt-Jakob diseases. We discuss the old diseases that is called Kuru disease or Karu disease. Kuru disease or Karu disease. The Karu disease or Kuru disease caused by prion is due to the consumption of human brain. Human brain eating. When a person eat the human brain, that may contain the prion, and this prion accumulate and cause the disease called Kuru disease due to the consumption of human brain of dead relatives in 4 people. So 4 people in the past, they eat the human brain of his relatives and cause the Kuru disease in this people, especially in the New Guinea, they cause the Kuru disease. The infection spread through ritualistic cannibalism. Ritualistic or ritualistic. Some people say ritualistic cannibalism due to the infectious of ritualistic or ritualistic cannibalism. This is called the Kuru disease. Now we will discuss the other types of Jakob disease, that is Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Now we will discuss the other types of Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Other second number types of the Jakob disease, that is Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. The second number is the heterogenic Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. The heterogenic Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease seen as a result of accidental inoculation of patient with prion. inoculation of patient with prion or prion. The third type of the prion disease is variant. The third types of the prion disease is variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. This disease is due to the tainted beef from the cattle with bovine. Tainted beef from the cattle with bovine. They may cause spongiform encephalopathy. Spongiform encephalopathy.